App screenshots and videos give you an opportunity to demonstrate the functionality of your mobile app or game. It plays a key role in your app ranking, and in this video I will show you how to create professional-looking AppStore screenshots in minutes. I will also cover the best practices to follow when creating your AppStore screenshots. Using the AppStore screenshot generator is the simplest and fastest way to create a screenshot mockup set. Go to previewed.app, where you can scroll through pre-made templates for inspiration or use them as a template to get started. Once you've selected the template you like most, you can start customizing it. The process is very simple and takes only a few minutes. First, replace the device screen placeholders with your own screenshots. We use device frames to create a separate space for headings and titles. It also looks more aesthetically pleasing. You can tweak the device type. For example, you might want to use a clay or real variation of the phone or change its color. Heading titles explain what the user is meant to be seeing. Try to keep them short. The optimal length is 3 to 5 words. People do not like to read. Instead, visually show them. You can read the study linked in the description. Try not to overcomplicate things with coloring. Sometimes less is more. You have access to gradient, color, and custom background options. Look more into these options to find the one that suits your app. Try not to add rotating fonts, complex designs, and inconsistent sizing for text and images. Export your screenshots in the format that you require. You can repeat this process for additional sizes or any apps required. Previewed helps you manage the complete life cycle of your AppStore screenshots, from experimentation to final design. You can organize and save your final mockups as templates to come back to and edit later. Once you're done with screenshots, you can create promo videos to demo your app or mockups to promote it on social media. Follow the links to the videos or check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos. I hope this was useful and it will help you in creating your AppStore screenshots.